Kumshi benta banang yai pen selur ya ki kena samla ki hebarit bat wat kiri rang baru ban kilan met ban semar ya ka kot kekhia khamtam ban pelong ya ka jingle kai kum ka ikhtiar banyakun persha yu drugs ka excel muscle gym ha ka sien ka basau kalami pau ban pelong biang ya ka food powerlifting benchpress competition arajar sapsau harkat ke jingas nok tilang ka Meghalaya Powerlifting and Fitness Association bat ka Powerlifting India. Ya kani kejinya kop layo ban pelong ha Savio Hall dan kiti hakaba da ki spangot ki athletes bakentup nado ki hybrid ki samla bat ki rangba kila epoi ban syamenta ha kani kerinsan. Lai don lang ha kani kisi deba Fontaine J Lagadong bari MDC kum Kongsan nang ta uba Ricky Dengdo bari President ka Association Udip Puchan Vice President uba Frankie Nongrum General Secretary uba Robinson Kharnari bari Treasurer hagju poru bari tra ya ka Excel Muscle Gym uba Robin ulapan pau ke jingkimen baki kimi kipa kila kloy ban pha ya lagi khon ban yashimanta hakni ka competition ulapan tipru kiba job hakni ke jingkun haki kategori ba fair nalor ki sernat baki trophies on jiru yaki ban mikmat hak national level ka ban salongshen kinong job hagi kategori ba fair hakni ki singi ki kintop below 53 kg haga kedan baningkong Benison Marwen Baar Andrew William Omlong bat balai Sinsharlang Saukmi below 59 kg baningkong Kiran Biswa Baar Wiki Maulong bat balai Banshan Borlang Bare below 66 kg baningkong Amit Kumar Rai Baar Tingshan Kupar bat balai Edian Shampang below 74 kg baningkong Anastasius Rendong Sengi Baar Manbhalang Thangkyo bat balai Suman Sherpa below 83 kg baningkong Javed Sohtun Baar Siddharth Chetri bat balai Rapme Bante below 93 kg baningkong Prakash Chetri Baar Mohan Pradhan bat balai Raj Kumar above 94 kg baningkong Ilyas Lingkhoi hakaliang ki kenthei kinong job kilong below 47 kg baningkong Ribhalin Thangkyo Baar Nazrin Marbanyang bat balai Philarisa Kharkarang below 52 kg baningkong Anamika Datta Baar Kirisha Siemle bat balai Mitchell Siemle below 57 kg baningkong Mary Siemle Baar Simyaha Thaba bat balai Sonia Langste below 63 kg baningkong Larissa Z Siem Baar Belinda Pathau bat balai Bavaria below 69 kg baningkong Devi Banri Lingdo Baar IA Bhariti Lingdo bat balai Larisha W Momin above 83 kg baningkong bat Riti Nyangmi bat hakakritan overall champion layok banra du Javed Sohtun ubalala banra hadu shispa sapar kilo.
Over the memento to the chief guest, Mr. Dominic Gurkalam. Thank you, sir.
I would like to thank Sir Robin. He's a very good friend of mine. Actually, I'm preparing for my election, so I was on my door-to-door. So I apologize for not being on time due to my schedule that I fixed long time back. So I could not say no to Robin also, because he was always there for me when I need him. It's really an honor to be here, to be a part of this event, which is very important in this day and age. Because youth especially, if they are not involved in sports, they fall into so many traps, which is the saddest part in this generation, especially when it comes to drugs. You get involved in it and you spoil your career, you spoil everything in life, even your family, your relationship, everything goes out of hand. So to fight against all these bad things, these are the sports that really help the youth to be free from all these bad habits, which is growing. I encourage the organization to organize these kinds of events from time to time so that the youth get the platform, even if they are above.
Katkum kajing penyak jungi kini competition ngai tenat marwa menta kenti kum bangila ka press conference bangila kring ni kwa bagi kena baritu kinuan participate de ngai isisha bagi kini kipa ki penslur ki kena nadu baritu ki penslur ki kena bagi nuan chakane ka competition de kajing pelek jungi kini competition ru kalong kawai kala yaki kena kin light na kajing sniu jong kajing di drugs jong kini ki kam kai bro kila slur bonon chakni sport bat sakawiru kalong ka ike ba I siam yaki namar ban na kajing ni lekai joki yo bani participate chabar kum menta kani ka competition bangile menta kalong bangin select ki kena kini national bat kajing le national joki kala banora medal ya ka jala hibro kawai bat ya ka state hibro kawai bat kawai ka bangi I siam hangi kalong ba VP nadu kirang ba ki ni ba ka jingwan registration jo kirang ba ru kilami sakmat ki I sim sisha wat ki kena samla namar bor ki kena samla ki syaptiang banwan sakani kelempung namar ba undan ba I sim ki henry ka jingwan jo kini kirang ba ki bala khamyar ka kerta ka I sim susu yaki ba ki poi sakani ka thong Deka ika ba kong san kalong ba abang ipet ya kani ka competition mata ni penyai kani ka penyai competition kalong ba ni syam janjar si sha ku manchu ono nakaliang ka sport department ba ni chung lo jingaram dia ni kerpa dia ki minister kini ki MLA oh ni yo ka fund ka baret wala ka taru na ka fund ka association yumdan ndai ni persangkat bala ban penuh urlong ya kani ka jingilek kai mentasi bat sakawiru kalong ba kamnyar ba naka sport mentani ai ga assurance ni kini kena bagi bandar le chabar namar kadon ka job reservation namar menta ka jingi okam jam kalau ka bae bun ki kena ki kala jot kala poi shakwi ki jai kam ka jisnio henry ha baki wan chakani sport tingila ong rupa ya ki ba kin yo siam ha ka jingi yo okam ya ka jingi okam kani pat kalong ba namar naka railway line nang tina po railway station nang tan po ka sport department nilai pasang bala bangin pentap iki kena ngin nakalia ka asun ni kepat baka sport department hi ka kompet badio ban ai kam ni kini kena samla jumu hakani ka jala jumu ka jala kejing kejuk kam ta tang ini kentin hi ka wan ba nang ni sakmat habang ni penong kena ki event ka kermen bakinang pun cucu kena participate bat ki kimi ki paru kini ban pensul ki kena ki wan cakap risiko kani ka food Benchpress ka bani penong ta kalong ba nang ni nak ni ki berjob ni jiet ya ki bakilek sa nasional kajing ka ya kani ka event mata kalong pemila ong rupa ba ni select ya ki kena ki ban ni sa nasional emrai kajing lek nasional joki pat ni jiet the best of the best kenang baki mata ya ka belum job setiap bat itu jelah hibur kawai bat kawai kalong ba nak kalian ka associate ni le ka pala ban yarap wat pada kimdan dan nimlah ban ai ka fund ru ngai nak kalian jungi ni le ka pala ban ai ka fund ki kenang kin poi sebut ko top wat ni ke pat ru wa nak kalian ka government apa kiwan kena kiwan pan jingarap ka government kam dei ban refuse kami ban kentat kami ban nyarap bari ban ai sim nang ban nak jingi iba kena ibang kibayo ni ban le la kasba tikin don ki kena kiba ban join hakani ka kenti ka association jok ka powerlifting hi kani ka first powerlifting ka bang long ni pangila presiden kani ka association di ba Ricky ding do Wak Frankie nongrum di general secretary di mga Robin Carnary di treasurer jakan ka association di bukan di vice president jakan ka association Papuri Fukan ketika executive member jakan association di baru ni kan ka association ni dai kawai di nak ni ka association ni ele namar kani ka powerlifting hakop ni gela kala khamdu mucha namar kamda ka khambun ka bun ki bali akani ka bodybuilding henry mata naka jing seluruh jungi naka jing KM jungi kani ka powerlifting mata ni shisha baki kena mata kila kham interest hakani competition mata kani ka kategori ka mata kadan borok ki khatsan di nyau na kikentai kendai kategori additional.
He has put me, the host has put me in a very awkward position because I didn't come to talk or take anything. I just to watch the show. And from what I've seen, very well organized. I think the president said a few words. So I heard only the last part of it. And I agree with whatever he said. So, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
It's subsidiary, but sir did it first time, so right round of applause, sir. Thank you so much, sir. So this. Thank you, Sandeep, for being with us. Thank you. 57 category. Third prize goes to Sonia Longstick. Sonia Longstick. Sonia Longstick. Please round of applause to him.
Now, press. Loaded. Stop. Go. Press. Loaded. Positive. Vanessa Mamanya. Come on. Stop. Go. Press. Right. Loaded.